Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Litchfield Park local and long-distance movers near me. After you decide to relocate to a new residence, the next step is to hire the services of a moving company. If you are looking for the top movers in your Litchfield Park to help you relocate, 3 Movers is the right moving company for you. We provide the cheapest local and long-distance movers in Litchfield Park. We always come through for our clients, making sure that they have a pleasurably memorable move. Our services are dependable, prompt, satisfactory, and efficient. We make sure to consider the uniqueness of our clients and what they really require to pull their move through. Therefore, you should not be surprised at our success rate over the years. We can help you draw up the perfect moving plan for you so that your move will be pleasurably memorable. You only have to trust us to do so. We take responsibility for organizing a stress-free and successful move to your new location. How do we ensure that we pull off your relocation? We do that by utilizing the professional drivers and standard equipment we have. Our team of movers understands how relocation will go and will always ensure that you enjoy the best of your relocation. They will always make sure you are comfortable through the move. By utilizing the right equipment, you will be sure that we will get your properties to you without loss or damage. To further assure our clients of their safety, we provide insurance before the relocation so that they can be protected from all incurred risks during and after the relocation. Hence, even though it is tough to relocate between homes, you will find it very easy with us organizing your relocation. Let us take charge of your move so that you will have more time to plan other necessary things for your relocation. Our packages are unique. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.